Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video bringing you my long-awaited eyebrow tutorial. Before we get this video started, make sure you are subscribed to my channel and press that bell to be notified every time I post. So getting right into it, I'm taking my Fenty Beauty Hydra Visor Moisturizer and working it all over my face. And after that, I'll go in with my Fenty Beauty Primer and do the same thing. Next, I like to take my Airspun translucent powder and lightly apply it to just my eyebrows. In my opinion, it just helps the product that I use to do my brows last and not smudge or sweat off or anything crazy like that. So after that's applied, I just go in and tweeze any out of place hairs just to make it easier to conceal later. I'm using my e.l.f. Cosmetics eyebrow pomade in the shade Espresso, and I'll take my favorite eyebrow brush, which is the E6 brush by ColourPop Cosmetics, to do my brows today. This e.l.f. eyebrow pomade has literally been my holy grail for years, but I recently purchased Morphe's eyebrow pomade and I absolutely love it. So e.l.f. definitely has some competition, and honestly, they might have just lost. Ever since I bought the Morphe pomade, I haven't touched my e.l.f. one. Anyway, all I do for my brows is kind of just trace my natural brow shape but thicken it a little bit, and when I get to the inner brow, I just go back and forth with a disposable mascara wand and my eyebrow brush just to fade out the beginning of the brow so it doesn't look so harsh. Also, this is a gentle reminder that eyebrows are not twins. They are sisters and sometimes even cousins. My natural brows aren't even symmetrical, so they won't always look the same when I do them, but as long as they look related, that's all that matters. One of my brows is actually naturally lower and skinnier than the other, so twins are never happening anyway. So next, I'm taking my favorite concealers by Maybelline, a flat brush by the Crayon Case, and a small concealer blending brush by Real Techniques, and I conceal my brows starting from the bottom on each side, then I move to the top. That's pretty much all I do, but I just take my time to get my desired look for the day, and then I go on to beating my face for the gods when I'm finished with my eyebrows. Okay guys, this is the complete look. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial today, or at least found it helpful. Almost every time I post a makeup tutorial, somebody is asking for an eyebrow routine, so I hope today this video did you guys justice. If you did like this video, don't forget to leave a thumbs up below and subscribe to my channel for more. Go ahead and comment down below what you would want to see from me next, and I will catch y'all in the next video. Bye!